Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves for an extraordinary journey into the realm of financial abundance. If you've ever yearned to unlock the secret to earning a staggering $20,000 per month, then this is the moment you've been waiting for. Brace yourselves, for in this captivating video, I will unveil the enchanting world of drop servicing and show you precisely how you can embark on this exhilarating path to success. What sets this method apart is its sheer accessibility. You need not possess an advanced degree or be a seasoned entrepreneur. So if you're brand new to the concept of generating substantial income, fear not. I will be your guiding light, illuminating each step along the way. But before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let's address the burning question on your mind. What exactly is drop servicing? Prepare to be captivated by this fascinating gig, where endless possibilities await and financial prosperity beckons. With drop servicing, you'll harness the power of your entrepreneurial spirit, offering a range of enticing services to clients without ever lifting a finger yourself. Intrigued? You should be. So imagine this: you step into the thrilling role of a professional Cupid, orchestrating the perfect union between clients craving a service and talented providers ready to make their mark. Your mission? Promote and sell these invaluable services to your hungry clientele, ensuring that their needs are met and the cash begins to flow. And just like that, my friends, you find yourself basking in the glory of profitable success. Now let me tell you why drop servicing is more than just a cool way to make money. This business model grants you access to a multitude of diverse industries, allowing you to offer a vast array of services without becoming an expert in every field. So are you ready to dive headfirst into the captivating world of drop servicing? Are you prepared to unleash your inner matchmaker and reap the rewards of your entrepreneurial spirit? If your answer is a resounding yes, then buckle up, my friends, because this exhilarating adventure is about to commence, and together we shall conquer every obstacle and seize the abundant opportunities that await us. Let's make magic happen. Step 1. Embark on an exhilarating journey to the enchanted land known as Fiverr. Fiverr, a digital wonderland teeming with exceptional freelancers showcasing their extraordinary skills, awaits your arrival. Picture this. A client approaches us, seeking a magnificent logo design that will leave them breathless. Fear not, for we confidently exclaim, "We've got you covered." With hearts full of anticipation, we journey into the depths of Fiverr, navigating a sea of gifted graphic designers. We carefully choose the one whose talents will craft a logo that transcends imagination, ensuring our client's vision becomes a stunning reality. Once the match is made, we don the cloak of the middleman, orchestrating the intricate dance between client and provider. We negotiate the terms, set the price, and attend to every minute detail, leaving no stone unturned. And when the moment of triumph arrives, our client lavishes us with their hard-earned riches, a testament to the value we brought to their lives. Then, with hearts pounding with anticipation, we bestow upon the service provider their well-deserved share. And in that moment, we revel in our victory. But the adventure doesn't end there, my intrepid companions, for the most glorious part awaits us. With a triumphant smile, we pocket the profit that flows forth, a tangible symbol of our prowess in the realm of drop servicing. A grand achievement indeed. Step 2. Unleash the power of the perfect gig. Within the enchanting realm of Fiverr, an extraordinary array of services awaits your discovery. Allow me to present you with an example of the gig we'll be drop servicing, selling comparison videos, a sensation that has taken the YouTube world by storm. If the concept of comparison videos eludes you, fear not. Simply embark on a swift YouTube quest. Prepare to be mesmerized by the plethora of these wildly popular videos where individuals fervently compare diverse products, services, and more. This thriving niche captivates audiences, and now it's your turn to seize the opportunity. Craft your own unique gig on Fiverr, offering these coveted comparison videos at a slightly higher price. When orders come pouring in, enlist, get inspired, and replicate the exceptional skills of the other freelancers to create the magic. And when the final product is delivered to your client, rejoice, for you shall retain all the profit that lies within this wondrous transaction. Can you feel the pulse of this extraordinary endeavor? The excitement of offering a service that captivates the masses and secures your prosperity? Embrace this powerful niche, my friend, and let your drop servicing journey soar to new heights. Step 3. Unleash your gig on Fiverr. Now it's time to forge your own path on Fiverr, creating a gig that captures attention and sets you apart. Let's dive into the essentials that will make your gig shine. First, seize the power of a catchy title, one that grabs attention and showcases your uniqueness. Make clients exclaim, "Wow, I need this." Stand out from the competition with an irresistible allure. Choose the perfect category that aligns with your video editing service, allowing potential clients to discover you effortlessly in the vast Fiverr marketplace. Harness the magic of search tags, those enchanting keywords that guide clients to your gig. Select tags that accurately portray your video editing talents and attract the right crowd amidst the sea of freelancers. Pricing is where the real alchemy happens. Take inspiration from other freelancers to set your own prices. But here's the twist. Create your own gig and set the price higher, let's say $200 for 10 videos. Witness the marvel unfold as you pocket an astounding $150 profit without lifting a finger. It's like getting paid to do nothing. Craft a compelling description and FAQ section that showcases your expertise, dedication to high-quality edits, and the incredible benefits clients will receive. Infuse your unique personality and let your passion for video editing shine through. Remember, you're not just selling a service, you're selling an unforgettable experience. Visuals are paramount. Select an eye-catching gig image that perfectly represents your offering. When you're satisfied with every element, proudly hit that publish button and unveil your incredible gig to the world. Behold as your drop servicing journey takes flight, attracting clients and igniting the spark of success. Embrace this moment, for you have embarked on a path of boundless possibilities. Step 4. Unleash the power of freelancers. Now that your gig is up and running, get ready for some delightful passive income. When orders come pouring in, you don't have to carry the burden alone. Simply enlist the assistance of talented freelancers to do the work for you at a lower cost. But remember, quality is paramount. Choose freelancers who are reliable and deliver work that meets your high standards. Building a strong network of freelancers in various areas of expertise is key. This way, you can swiftly find the perfect match for each job that comes your way. Here's a pro tip. Invest time and effort into enhancing your own skills. Understand the intricacies of the services you offer so you can provide guidance to your freelancers and ensure exceptional results. Having a backup plan in case you can't find a freelancer for a specific task is always wise. It's time to work smarter, not harder, and transform your passive income dream into reality. Congratulations on your drop servicing journey. If you found this tutorial helpful and entertaining, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible tips and tricks on making money online. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. Until next time.